Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right into today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.97 trillion, down 1.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.2%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, in the last 1 hour, we are starting to see some mild red across the board. Even in the last 24 hours, you guys can see the overall market is seeing some mild red across the board. But if we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last 7 days alone, the broader picture, we are seeing majority of the altcoins up double digits as of now. And that's exactly what we want to be seeing right now. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin that we absolutely love on our channel. And you guys already guessed it. If not, let me tell you what it is. It is Vechain. All right, my Vechain family, first and foremost, I just want to say I love each and every one of you guys. The amount of support that my Vechain family has been showing me on a continuous basis from day one. I just want to say thank you so much for all the support. You guys keep me pushing and I will keep on delivering these videos for you guys. Looking at the Vechain price right now, you guys can see Vechain is currently trading at 0.053 cents. We're up 0.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 3.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Vechain's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 40th spot. So we have seen, the Vechain gain two spots up in the ranking. So that's something nice seeing. Market cap right now is $3.53 billion and the 24-hour trading volume is at $281 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, obviously we are down 40.6% if we are looking at the year chart. But if we are looking at the broader picture, like 2020 lows, we are still up thousands of percent. But if we're speaking relatively just this year alone, in the last 7 days, we're still up 15.4%, and we will definitely take that. But before we begin, guys, before we dig into the charts, I just want to share a very, very interesting article with you guys, and that is Draper University, a training center for entrepreneurs founded by billionaire venture capitalist and early crypto adopter Tim Draper, has partnered with blockchain application platform Vechain to launch new programs for those interested in starting and scaling Web3 businesses. The 4-week Vechain Fellowship Certificate program includes entrepreneurship and blockchain fundamentals to help attendees launch their own Web3 startup powered by the Vechain Thor public blockchain. Very interesting. Draper University will then select about a dozen members of the fellowship program to continue on through the Vechain Web3 Accelerator, where each participant will receive $100,000 in funding in exchange for a 5% equity stake in their startup. Very interesting. The broader Draper network of investment funds was an early backer of Vechain, which is a blockchain platform for supply chain and business process management. The application period for the program is now open. Vechain Fellowship Program will run for April 18th. From April 18th through May 13th, while the accelerator will operate from July 11th to September 7th. So now if we are going into the exciting stuff that everyone is waiting for, first and foremost, that article is very, very interesting. It really goes to show that, Vechain is a project that they are willing to teach about. They do believe in the project itself. And I have been talking about this for quite some time with you guys, that Vechain is a project that is being slept on quite tremendously within the cryptocurrency markets, because the reason as to why that is because, obviously we have seen the meme coin mania along with the new blockchains that are coming and thriving, which has gained a lot of intention towards itself rather than projects that have strong fundamentals, working products such as Vechain. And obviously I'm not just saying that's only Vechain. There's a lot of other projects that are in the markets that are being slept on, but Vechain was one of the projects that really did not gain a lot of price traction over the past 1 year, while other altcoins absolutely went crazy. But I kept on reminding my viewers, let's look at the broader picture, guys. Let's look at the broader picture. Let's look at what Vechain is really doing. And if you look at it from that point of view, guys, Vechain has a working product, and on top of that, they keep on innovating, they keep on making the brand bigger and bigger as time goes by, and it is supported by some of the biggest names in the business world. Vechain is working with Walmart China, AWS, and H&M. These are just to name a few. I've mentioned this for quite some time. So obviously the price action has not seen crazy price movements. We have not seen 100x, we have not seen 1000x, we have not seen crazy price movements happen. But this is the news. These kind of articles really do make me even more bullish than I have ever been for Vechain. And like I mentioned, right now, if we are looking at the price of Vechain, because obviously this is a dedicated review for Vechain, but if we're looking at the price of Vechain, nothing crazy has been happening right now. But one thing that I want Vechain to do right now is to break above this specific price level. Let me highlight this part for you guys. So I want the price of Vechain to break out of this level of resistance, which is around that 7 cents mark. This would mean that this would be the first time ever we're above this level since February 8th of last month. So that's something where I want Vechain to be right now. And this zone is going to come. This accumulation pattern, this Vechain is right now currently in an accumulation zone. And if Bitcoin and the overall market does pick up, Vechain is not going to be left behind. We are going to see it rebound. Interest is going to come back in. That's just how the cryptocurrency markets work. And without a doubt, Vechain is one of the most promising projects. And that's not only coming from me. Again, whatever I say is not financial advice. It's just my own personal opinion. But let's not forget, there's a lot of people that have eyes on Vechain. You would be surprised as to how many people have eyes on Vechain. So I would see Vechain obviously have a rebound when the markets start heating up as well. But right now, this is the price where we should be targeting and looking at right now, which is at that 7 cents mark. Once we see the price break out of this zone, guys, then we could really start getting excited, because the next major level of resistance is at that 10 cents mark. And if we are looking at it from this current price level, we're still about double away from where that is right now. And if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, to be exact, that is around a 90% move towards the upside for us to really retest this level of resistance. This is a major spot where the price of Vechain really needs to break out. But obviously that is still quite some times away, because last time we were even above this level was back in December 5th of last year, which has been about like 5 months now. So you guys can really get a picture as to how big of a major of a level of resistance this really is for the price of Vechain. But I like sharing these kind of articles with you guys. You guys might say, hey, Crypto ZX, you have been sounding like a broken record at this point. But these videos that I make, these are mainly for the day one dedicated Vechain supporters. They don't care. They still want to hear this. And from the bottom of my heart, I love each and every one of you guys, and I hope you guys get rewarded for the patience you guys have. And special shout out to my friend Michael, man. Michael has been absolutely killing it with the support. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, Michael, you are the man. I appreciate all the support that you have showed me, and always remember, I will not forget you. Thank you so much. And yeah, guys, I just want to say, we could be looking at like a lot of boring price movements right now. You could be losing hope. And I just want to say, cryptocurrencies you need to have patience, especially in strong projects. Just look at Vechain from this point of view. How are they innovating or not? Are they, just lagging with the price? If the price does not go up, are they developing or not? You need to always monitor that, not only with Vechain, every single project. And this is why I'm extremely bullish on Vechain. But yeah, right now, guys, nothing crazy has been happening with the price of Vechain right now, but we do need to break out of this zone at that 7 cents mark. Once we break out of here, guys, then we could be having another conversation, which will be the next step up. Right now, as I mentioned on my other videos and also the other video of Vechain, that Bitcoin is still in an upwards trajectory. Higher lows have been created over the past, month and a half. That is a very nice bullish sign without a doubt, but we're not getting excited until we reach this price point, which I have been talking about for quite some time, which is at that $46,288 level. Once we break out of here, guys, it's game on, and we will see massive heat come in within the cryptocurrency markets once we do break out of this zone. BTC dominance, on the other hand, nothing crazy going on with BTC dominance, still hovering around that 42.75%. So, nothing crazy. We're not in altcoin season territory, guys. I know everyone wants to know, when is altcoin season? When is it? When are we going to see that insane altcoin rally? Not right now, guys. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what is your strategy for Vechain right now, and where could you see the price of Vechain go at the end of this year? I would love to know your thoughts down below, and tell me your strategy. I would love to know it. And if you guys can like, comment, and subscribe, that's literally all I ask, and that would mean the world to me. I love you so much, guys. You guys are absolutely killing it with the support, and from the bottom of my heart, your support means the world to me. I love you all. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.